So remember that in finance you have an stated rate, or in financial analysis you have a stated rate and you have an effective rate. So for why is effective rate different? Because compounding can be different. So for example, if I tell you that you have an annual rate of 10%, which is compounded semi-annually, this means effective rate would be higher, because after 6 months you would be paid 10%. You will be paid 5%, and then in next 6 months you will be paid 5% on the newer amount. If it is quarterly compounding, it will be even higher. If it is monthly compounding, it will be even higher. So how, if you have a stated rate, how do you calculate or how do you get effective rates? Simply, you can simply get effective rate using this formula, which is effect equals to effect. So equals to effect, you give it a stated rate and you give it compounding periods. Let's say it is a quarterly compounding, so it is 4, and it will give you the effective rate. If it is monthly compounding, I will do it 12. If it is daily compounding, I will do it as 65, and if it is semi-annual compounding, I will do it as 2. So this is how you can calculate it. Any problem so far?